here with we're TT Productions or TR Wrenching, promoting some of our AMSOIL stuff as we are now an AMSOIL dealer. So we got a pretty dirty door here on our service truck. It's got some grease, oil. So we're going to show you this stuff. It's actually it washes and wax without no water. We got some Dawn dish soap just to show it up against, so we're going to see how it does. Now it doesn't wax, which is a pro to this, but yeah, we're just going to do probably this side of the door with the Dawn because we got chrome, so I can show you how it beads up. Which, if you look over here, this was done what, 2 weeks ago, and you can see it's already dirty, but it's still beading. It's not running as much. Which, if you want, I can spray some more water on it here.
Yeah, it got dirty after we did it, so that's why the fingerprints are back on.
So a little bit of running. I didn't do the whole door, but as you can see, for the most part, it beads up, especially that chrome.
I think we are definitely picking it up.
Which, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that on your end, but so we're gonna start with some Dawn. We're just gonna wipe it. As you can see, it does pretty good. Wiping away here. Got to kind of scrub on some of these spots. We'll add some more. Got to add water to Dawn. Add some more water to it. All right, I think that's pretty good. And we'll wash it away. As you can see, it's just running right off, not beading, nothing like that. And it's still dirty. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's dirty there, up in through there. But now we're gonna take our Miracle Wash stuff. We're just gonna spray it on here. Because what it's doing right now is it's lifting the dirt off. We'll get that chrome.
And it foams up pretty good too. Like, it comes up off the metal a good bit.
And then you're supposed to use like I forget what it's called, but like them special towels that doesn't leave any lint or anything like that. But with this being a service truck, we're not too worried about it, and we don't have one at the moment. So we should be good with just some paper towels. Let that foam up. Probably should have brought some more paper towels, but we'll make do. We're just gonna wipe it away. As you can see, all the fingerprints are gone. You can actually see where I didn't spray, it's still pulling dirt off. Grab another paper towel. That chrome nice and clean.
These are actually rust spots, so if you see
Yeah.
them, don't worry about that. It's just rust.
That almost looks like paint or something there. But yeah, that's
Yeah, you can see some discoloration still right
Yep.
there.
compared to that.
All right, let's see what she does with the beads. Oh, that beads up nice. Let me see if I can get that.
I mean, there's definitely, it's a good bit of water, but compared to Dawn, just absolutely can't even see any beads. To just everything beading up. And it doesn't hurt to wash some stuff away. But there, like when I wiped, it left a little bit, just wash it right off. And there you can actually tell the difference.
Yeah, right there's a 50-50 difference.
It's running here, beading up. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's just right on that line, the water's kind of.
And you see, I'm really, it's the chrome shining. I know this is old chrome and stainless, whatever this is, but still shines pretty good.
But yeah, AMSOIL Miracle Wash. I don't have a price on it right now, but if you call or text 717-658-0974 or 717-658-8495, we can get you a price, get you hooked up if you want a case, whatever. We also have more AMSOIL stuff, from 2-stroke mix oil, brake fluid, firearm cleaner and lubricant, chassis grease, pretty much everything. Some stuff that I didn't even know existed, we have found on there. So yeah, but that's just proof that this stuff's a lot better than a lot of other stuff. I mean, Dawn, yeah, it cleaned it alright, but it doesn't do the wax. And this is waterless, so you could do it on a job site, leave the job site with your truck cleaned and waxed with no water.